Good morning everyone. Today I will start a new topic, that is the excretory system, that comes under the human autonomy and the unit is the human body. In this video I will explain firstly the excretion, the definition of the excretion we will understand. About the excretion, we all know that the removal of the nitrogenous waste is known as the excretion, or we can say the removal of the metabolic waste from the body is known as the excretion. Excretion doesn't mean the removal of the metabolic or nitrogenous waste. It means the removal of the any kind of waste from the body is known as the excretion. Excretion का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं होता कि नाइट्रोजीनियस वेस्ट अगर हमारी बॉडी से एलिमिनेट हो रहा है या रिमूवल हो रहा है या तो उसी को हम excretion बोलेंगे. Doesn't matter. Excretion means any kind of waste which is removing from the body or eliminating from the body is known as the excretion. So we can say the elimination, the removal of the waste from the body is known as the excretion, right? The removal of waste out from the body is known as the excretion. So here the type of the waste material which are formed in our body, these are known as the, first of all, the CO2, the second one is the nitrogenous waste, then the excess of water and salt, and the white pigment. One by one we will understand the how they are formed and the examples of the such kind of waste. So first we will take the CO2. The gaseous element which needs to be excreted, which has to be excreted from the body, and the organ by which it is excreted from the body is it is the lungs, right? So I hope it is clear to all. Clear? Or we can say that by means of the notes it is excreted. Clear? Then the nitrogenous waste. The examples of the nitrogenous waste are the urea, uric acid, and the ammonia. Now the question is how they are formed in our body. How they are formed in the body. If I just give you the one line answer, then the breakdown of the protein, or we can say by the process of metabolism. As we know, when the body digests the food, it digests the carbohydrates and convert into the glucose, right? And the required glucose is used up by the body and the excess of the glucose is stored, right? Same as the protein also digests in the body, it convert into the amino acids, or we can say the breakdown of the protein forms the amino acids, right? The required amino acids used by the body and the excess of the amino acids which we not required or which cannot be stored in the body, that all goes up to the liver and then it convert into the urea. Then the next point is the excess of water and the excess of salt. The excess of salt, and the main excess of salt are the sodium, potassium and the chloride, we can say and the main excess of salt is the NaCl, which has to be excreted. It again goes into the kidney in the nephron. In the nephron there is the counter current mechanism, and which leads to the absorption, reabsorption and the excretion, right? So which leads to the removal or the excretion of the NaCl. If we talk about the calcium is excreted by the intestine, right? So then the excess of the water. Excess of water is excreted in the form of the urine. Clear? As we know, the major component of the urine is the water. We intake the water, required water is used up in the body. The excess of water, the amount which we do not require, that is created in the form of urine. And if we again require of the water, then the stage is there, the dehydration, that takes back from the urine by the body, or we can say I will tell you when we discuss about the diagram of the nephron and all the stages of the urine, that we will understand how that goes on in the body. Clear? Then the next is the bile pigment. The main example of the bile pigment is the bilirubin, right? It is the but the question is how it formed, right? It is formed due to the breakdown of the hemoglobin. This video. So I hope it will clear to you all. Just once take a short revision that the excretion is all about the removal of the waste out from the body is known as the excretion. Then the types of waste we can say, or the waste material excretory products of the body. It is the CO2 which is excreted by means of the lungs, or we can say the organ, that is the nose as well. Then the nitrogenous waste, the main examples of the nitrogenous waste are the urea, uric acid and the ammonia, which are formed due to the metabolism of the protein, right? Then the excess of the water and the salt which are excreted by the form of urine and some of the organs like the intestine and the kidney as well. Then the bile pigment, it is formed due to the breakdown of the hemoglobin, and the main example that is the bilirubin. So thank you and have a nice day.